I've kind of migrated away from all of the Festool boxes that have the style of lock. I can't remember what these used to be called, but I migrated pretty much everything to the T-lock sustainers, mainly because I got tired of dealing with trying to snap these things open. It was such a pain to pry these things open. The other day I stumbled upon a little tidbit when I was at one of our local big box stores for our area, and I just happened to notice that they sold Festool. So I was talking with the employee there, and we're talking about the T-locks versus these kinds of sustainers. And don't get me wrong, I love these these toolboxes, but these clips go the same way pretty much all the other ones do. After a while, they just get to be real hard to open up. Sometimes you got to jam a screwdriver in there to pop them open. So he told me this, and this is one thing that he learned from when he was down in Lebanon, which is about an hour and a half down the road from where I currently live at. Take your basic, now this is kind of old, you probably can't see it, but this is just arm roll, and just put a little bit on a little rag, wipe the posts down, and then inside. And these ones I just can't remove as easy as the ones that are the regular sustainers. So just wipe down inside and out, outside the post, inside of the clips, and then they operate nice and easy. So try that. If you have the old style sustainers, I have a couple of them still left that I haven't swapped out yet. But these are the heavy hitters, the ones I have in my racks I can just leave open, and it's not that big of a deal. But these ones I do carry places, so I do have to, be able to open them up pretty quick. And since I found that little tip, I wanted to share with everybody. So hope you like it. Thanks a lot. See you next time.